Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Live comment. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and before you do that, go ahead into your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my avatar icon at the top right, and from here just go ahead to the apps. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just double check if your Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back right here. Alright, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down. If you want to change your comment settings on Facebook Live, tap at the bottom right bar or the bottom menu bar, and then scroll to the settings and support, then tap comments, then change chat settings, choose comments settings. So if you want to change that, you can change that within the settings. But if you have a problem in your live comments, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna double check if your internet is powerful. If it is and still facing that same issue, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to my settings. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into the general right here on my settings, and then move along to the iPhone storage. In the iPhone storage, you're gonna find the you're gonna find the Facebook, and basically go ahead and click the Facebook, for example, and hit delete app, and then complete deleting the app, and then reinstall it once again. I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.